nangangalaiti si Pulong sa galit. Nangangalaiti itong si Pulong Duterte nang malaman na si Trillanes ay nandun sa The Hague, sa the Netherlands. At nagpa-picture pa si Trillanes doon mismo sa kulungan ni Duterte sa the Netherlands. Kaya pikon na pikon si Pulong Duterte. Sabi ni Pulong Duterte, si Trililing pala ang pinadala ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas, ng bangag na administrasyon daw ng Pilipinas para i-welfare check ang kanyang ama. Itong si Pulong masyado namang ano, sinabi naman ni Trillanes hindi naman siya pumasok doon sa kulungan. Nagpa-picture lang naman siya doon sa labas. Masyadong paranoid na itong mga Duterte ano, si Pulong, si Sa, talagang sobra ang galit nila kay Trillanes. Isa kasi si Trillanes sa mga aktibong kumilos para makulong si Duterte at maging tuloy-tuloy at yung kaso niya doon sa ICC. Kaya ganyan ang galit nila kay Trillanes. Nangangalaiti.
Yung dati pong senador na si Antonio Trillanes ay nagpunta daw po sa The Hague at ang pinaniniwalaan po ng karamihan ay siya po ay nagpunta mismo sa kulungan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nais lang po sana namin itong malinawan dahil matagal po akong nakulong sa Bilibid. Hindi po kailanman na meron pong pupunta na tao na hindi mo gustong makita.
I was tasked by my fellow minority senators since last week during our last session, if my memory serves me right, last Wednesday, we discussed the twin resolutions. The resolution filed by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and the other resolution filed by three senators, De La Rosa, Padilla, and Bongo, regarding the sense of the Senate with regard to the house arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And we agreed during the last week's hearing that it will be discussed during the All Senators Caucus, which happened yesterday. May I know the status of the twin resolutions, Mr. President?
Mr. President, with the information, for the information of the body, we did have an all-member caucus, but the minority was not there. Only Senator Padilla was there.
Padilla.
But it's not their fault, Mr. President. Dumating po si Vice President Sara Duterte, so they were of course accommodating and hosting Madam Vice President's office nila. But so the status was we were not able to discuss it lengthily and fully because of we didn't have the sponsors of these measures in the all members caucus yesterday. Pero nandito po tayo. For the record, nandito po tayo naghihintay sa lounge. So if the good gentleman would want, maybe after this we can suspend after the three resolutions and discuss it.
We are more than willing to discuss
again.
it, Mr. President.
Okay. So yun na lang po, Mr. President. We can discuss it later on after the business of the day.
Yes,
Thank you, Mr. President.
if the body so desires, we can conduct a caucus after the business at hand.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we have three items of the day. We have two resolutions, simple resolutions, and one ratification that hopefully we can approve on second reading. But for the two resolutions, we have an additional reference of business. So I move for the additional reference of business, Mr. President, so we can take up the resolutions.
The additional, is it contained in the additional reference of business? Majority Leader.
Yes, sir.
You need 16 votes for that particular.
Bukas pa po yung ratification for the second reading lang po.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I
Only
believe
for second reading.
the gentleman from Nueva Ecija, Camarines Norte, and Mindanao would like to be recognized.
Senator Robin Padilla is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo, at sa ating pinunong mayorya. Gusto ko lamang pong sundan yung kahilingan po ng ating mahal na kapatid at Senador Jingoy Estrada patungkol po sa kahilingan namin, sa resolusyon po namin patungkol po kay dating Pangulo Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At gusto ko lamang din pong kunin po ang atensyon ng ating mga kasama na kami po kasi ay nangangamba kasi meron pong mga usap-usapan na yung dati pong senador na si Antonio Trillanes ay nagpunta daw po sa The Hague at ang pinaniniwalaan po ng karamihan siya po ay nagpunta mismo sa kulungan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nais lang po sana namin itong malinawan dahil matagal po akong nakulong sa Bilibid. Hindi po kailanman na meron pong pupunta na tao na hindi mo gustong makita. Yun po, tatanungin ka muna ng gwardya kung gusto mo bang makita itong taong ito. Yun lamang po, gusto lamang po naming malinawan kasi meron na pong matinding sakit si Tatay Digong. Sa kasalukuyan po, siya po ay meron ng tinatawag nating early signs of dementia. Kaya sana lang po, malinawan po namin to. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We take note of the manifestation of our good colleague. So, Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the reference of business. Additional reference of business.
The Secretary will proceed with the reference of business.